guys, welcome back to stoRHYSofAMIAmazing. This vlog is really special as we have attended a once-in-a-lifetime experience last Sunday, August 27, 2023. We went to New Clark City in Capistar Lake to witness the largest car horn ensemble by Ford Everest Club Philippines for the Guinness World Record. OMG! Wow! So yeah guys, that's my dad and our car. Look at that drone shot. That's only the few cars, but there's so much more. Oh my god. So yeah guys, the drivers stayed in their cars, but the drivers' families stayed at the stadium. So me and my family are here. Oh look guys, it's me. Yeah, and here is my whole family, and that's our picture. Now guys, look, there's so many people here. Congratulations, Ford Everest Club Philippines. We're so glad to be in the history. Thank you for this wonderful experience and winning the raffle. See you guys soon. Bye. Hope you like and subscribe. Bye.